You're receiving this honour as the man of the match. What does it mean to be in a World Cup and to be the man of the match?
Well, it's always good, no? But I'm more happy if I win 3 points. I'm honest. It's always good to win the individual awards, but if I can change for another thing, I change for 3 points.
Cristiano, were you worried about some of the tackles that you were subjected to in the first half?
Sorry, say again?
Some of the tackles that you were subjected to, are you concerned by?
Well, sometimes it's difficult that the referee don't give foul because I think I dive, but it's complicated. I know the game is very quick, the players is quick too, but sometimes I don't understand what the decisions of the referees. I respect, but sometimes I not agree because I think they have to protect the best players, on the most dangerous players, the most skillful players. And I think in the first half, someone do me a tackle and he give yellow to me. Well, I didn't do nothing, so he give me yellow card. Sometimes I don't understand, but this is the football. I know I don't have to react, but when it's 3 players against 1 and he just give yellow to me and to another player, I think it's not fair. But I don't want to speak about the referees. I respect all the decisions. I want to be focused only in my team, to help my team and to do my best.